Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2018 Chevy Impala 1LT. This Impala has 37,664 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a front-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine and your custom 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, when we go inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have half cloth, half leather, gray seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.